Namaste students, I am Durgashri. I will be taking up statistics and as well as some chapters in business studies. Today we will discuss about statistics. In statistics, altogether you will be having 10 chapters. It starts from introduction to statistics, first chapter. Then second chapter, organization of data. Then third one, classification and tabulation of data. Then diagrammatic and graphical representation of data. Fifth one, analysis of univariate data. In this fifth chapter, further it has been divided into 5 more units that we'll discuss later. Then sixth one, analysis of bivariate data. Seventh one, association of attributes. Eighth one, interpolation and extrapolation. Ninth one, theory of probability. And tenth one, random variable. And if when you observe this chapter, some of the topics you might have come across in your 10th standards. Now, introduction to statistics. In this particular chapter, we are going to study about what do you mean by statistics. What are the merits or what are the demerits, what are the features of that, the concept called statistics. Then organization of data. Data is nothing but information. How we need to collect data, how we are going to collect data of the various fields, for which field we are going to conduct any of the survey or research. Classification and tabulation of data means what data we will collect, how we are classifying. Then next chapter comes about, it's about diagrammatic. What do we classify here, that we present in the form of diagrams and graph. Then analysis of univariate data. Univariate means single variate. We study about analysis of single data. Analysis of bivariate data means more than one data, where we will be having more than one data. Then association of attributes. Association of attributes. Attributes are nothing but characters which we are not measured in terms of numbers, which we are not measured in terms of, that we say as attributes. Association of attributes we are going to study. Then interpolation and extrapolation, that is 8th chapter. 9th one, that is theory of probability. This concept you might have come across in your 10th standard. We are going to study about probability. Then last one, random variable. So altogether we are going to discuss in your first year class 10 chapters. So let us move towards the first chapter, that is introduction to statistics. Now, first chapter, that is introduction to statistics and some basic concept. In this particular chapter, we are going to study the concept of statistics. What is that particular concept? How that particular word or that concept originated and how it developed, and also some of the basic concept which is necessary to study the statistics, the subject called statistics. So firstly, we'll see how the topic called statistics might have originated. Statistics. Now, for what purpose mainly we use statistics? Mainly we use statistics for the purpose of comparison. Means we collect the, when we have a bundle of or a group of data or group of numbers or group of information, we just want to present that group of information in a single word or in a single what we call in single numbers. That single number we usually call it as averages. Why we take averages? Averages we take for the purpose of comparison. If we take average of a group of figures, then it will be easy for the purpose of comparison. So statistics we mainly study for the purpose of comparison. So now we have to understand, we need to understand how this concept might have originated. It might have, according to your syllabus, this concept called statistics might have originated when people started counting in the early stage of their life, when people started counting, comparing, or when people started keeping records of their day-to-day life. Keeping records might be, they may say the number of people in their family, maybe 4, 5, or when they started exchanging the goods in the form of quantities, when one family exchange goods with the other family and other family exchanges goods with some other family. When quantities are exchanged between the families, they started keeping the records of those things. And also when people, for example, the agricultural families, they grow number of variety of crops, and they need to maintain variety of records there. What is the amount of quantity they have sent to the market, or what they have received from them, and what they invested in order to get that particular quantity or particular crop. So it is necessary, or it has become necessary for the people in order to maintain the records. Records means mainly in the form of numbers. Records means mainly in the form of numbers. So due to that, the concept called statistics might have originated in the early days. When people started counting, comparing things, or started keeping recording of to keep records of their day-to-day life, which takes place in their day-to-day life, that too specially in the form of numbers. So in such a way, this concept might have originated. And concept is okay, might have, when people started counting or comparing things, it might have originated. Now, how the word statistics originated? The word statistics might have derived from the word, that is Latin word, Latin word, Latin word status, or Italian word, or Italian word statista,